man, back in the flesh. Finally got him back. All put that together. It's a little dirty. Yeah, I know I'm gonna definitely clean this up when I get a chance to. But back on the dyno we are, and we're gonna see exactly the changes that this bike is making now, because a lot has been done. So waiting for Ricardo. I just had to go get gas tank over there. I had to go get some gas so he can finish tuning this thing. I think he already did only one pull so far, so we got some tuning to do to get this thing dialed in. I am overly hyped, man. T'Challa, I miss you, dog. It is pickup day. After getting this bike all back together, so freaking happy that I'm able to get this done right before I head out for the annual bike trip too. So I'm here with Ricardo, and I definitely want to inform the people as to what issues I had versus what you discovered versus what you repaired. So you can articulate much better than I can.
Well, this is very simple. Most people, they already know like sprint air filters can be a problem, especially in areas like where we live and where you ride, where they are very, very dirty. That will require like an extra maintenance on the filter. You need to be constantly cleaning the filter if you really want that filter, which I strongly don't advise to use that filter regardless. I don't think it's the best filter out there, but opinions are opinions.
And for those that don't know, I switched from a sprint filter to an MWR.
Yep. So what happens in most of the cases when that maintenance is not done, the debris passing through the air filter gets ingested by the engine, and the first part that it wears out right away are the valves. So soon the coating on the valve gets worn out. From their point forward, it just, like the valves gets all destroyed pretty much. Like there's no way to save the valves, and you're gonna need to get new valves. You're gonna need to cut the seats on the valves if there's enough room, or they need to be replaced. So basically what happened with you was we had to replace all the valves, and we had to cut the valve seats. We still had room for that, and we had to replace the exhaust valve guides. They also had, a little bit of wear.
Right. And this is how the bike should have been running all this time.
All this time since day one.
Right. So I've been handicapped for quite some time, huh?
Yep. Because if my memory serves correctly, when we first diagnosed the problem back in the day, your bike was only making 183 horsepower, something like that?
Something like that, yeah. I think it was like 181, actually.
Yeah, it was something like that. I noticed on the dyno that the bike was losing power. And it was,
So yeah, we replaced all the valves, intake and exhaust valves, reseated the head. And we got valve this thing, valve seats as well too.
Valve guides on the exhaust side.
Right. Yeah, so this is where I'm at with this, guys. The bike is now in its tip-top shape, which it should have been from the beginning. Some issues due to my end on the maintenance side, but we got it all squared away, and Ricardo's got this thing running really, really good, and I can't wait to test it out and see how she performs, man. Appreciate all the help, brother.
You're welcome, anytime.
Thanks, man. All right, y'all, we are back. It's been a couple days since I picked up the T'Challa. Wiped it down a little bit because y'all know I can't stand when my bike is dirty at all. But I am so freaking happy to have my dog back. It has been way too long. I got a brand new chain on there, ready to go. I also got some fresh ones ready to get mounted on there. some brand new Dunlop Q5S's. I love those tires. But gonna be doing some little things to the bike, even though most of it is pretty much done, because I'm getting ready for the annual bike trip that you guys know that I go on every winter. So I'm trying to get T'Challa all done up. So as you guys can tell from the video when Ricardo was explaining it, there was no motor work done to this bike. A lot of people were putting that out there saying I got motor work done. I did not get motor work done. 203 horsepower. If you have motor work and you're only pulling up 203 horsepower, something is wrong. But yeah, man, I'm excited as hell to have T'Challa back. I can't wait to be riding in Florida. It's been months since I've ridden, so I'm going to be really, really, really rusty. But I'm definitely going to try to get acclimated as soon as I can. But yeah, guys, T'Challa is back. Season is going to be partially underway once I get this bad boy down south. And we're going to get it going, man. A lot of people that I know are going back to Florida as well, too. So we're going to have a lot of fun in the sun, baby. So I will see you guys on the next episode, people. Next time you guys see me and T'Challa, we will have some sunlight for your ass. All right, guys. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.